Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. So let us write the problem statement. So user need to print the n by 3 numbers. So user need to print the n by 3 numbers, which means so each and every time, like if you take 24 as an input, for example, user is giving 24 as an input. So each time you have to divide by 3. So 3 divided by 24, what will be the 8? So 3 divided by 8 will get 2. 2, right? 2 or 2.5. So I'm writing the 2. So you have to print 24, 8, 2. So up to 2. So how many times? Up to 0 you have to print. So until 0 you have to print. For example, n is 24. So up to 0 you have to print the divisibles of 3. So 24 divided by 3, 8. And 8 divided by 3, 2. So up to 0, you have to print. So I hope you understand the problem statement. So let us write the code. So simple problem. So import java dot util dot star scanner x is equal to new scanner system dot in. So int n is equal to sc dot next in. So we are taking the user input and we are writing the for loop. So it should start from and while, because here input is 24. So we have to start from 24 only. So it should start from n and it should be ends with I not equal to 0. So whenever I reaches 0, which means I not equal to 0, until that time this loop has to execute. You can write I not equal to 0 or I should be greater than 0. You can write any condition, but you have to perform the logic correctly. So I hope you understand. I'm writing I not equal to 0. And I has to divide each time 3. So I will print the I. So that's it. Problem is completed. So let us run this program. For example, give 24. So the output should be 24, 8, 2. So I hope so you understand the problem. So if you don't understand the problem which I'm saying, please comment so that I can help you out. And if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please ring the bell icon so then only you will get the notification. And before that, you have to subscribe to my channel. So that's it, friends. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.